probably been riding for about 3 years. He is absolutely killing it. He is without question in the top couple of riders in the UK at the moment. So we are ready to go. The judges ready up on the broad.
How many calipers on the rear?
Judges have a
I'll have a look.
Listen, if I want to get one of these stun bikes, where do we get them? Okay, if you were to look on eBay, every now and again one will come up, but the chances are it's been ridden by one of these guys. So the best advice I can give you is don't buy it.
I know James picks up a lot of these bikes. Is there like at verticalfreaks.com, can you just like log in there and see what's on sale, or?
Yeah, I mean bikes not necessarily, but I mean there's the guys that sell all the stuff for all the bikes. You can buy a stock bike, stumpbikestore.com.
Okay.
And they're going to fill up with all the stuff you need. But Josh is ready to go now. The judges are ready. Okay, 3 minutes to go. Off he goes. Go, go, go. Okay. Starting off on a straight line jump through. He won't get marked off of that. He won't necessarily score as highly as he could have.
Oh, the balancing.
Oh, he's got some great control there. Oh, just dropping it there. Okay. Pick it back up. Come on, pick it up for him. Come on. Oh, jumping through. Right, yeah. Big trick for a tall guy. But nice elevated, nearly slipped off the side but managed to keep a hold of it. Getting on now with the balance, steering with his left foot on the left hand bar. Oh, good as this. Full control, full. Liam Johnson off the back. Walking the dog. Oh yeah. Back on he goes. Into switchback. Oh, he's going for some switchback wheelies. Very scary trick. You'll see a few guys trying them now. This is going to be the next big one. Nice. Stopping there, whipping around at the end, almost 180. Straight up into a nice wheelie combo. Onto Ralph Blue and then blindside and all over the bike, climbing through. Jumping around. Check him out. Great moves. Awesome execution there. Oh! That was nice. Last 60 seconds now, Josh. Oh, jumps up the spreader from a stall. Oh, he's going to get some big fast right up. Going on now. Check it out, and a death spin as well. Yeah! Great. Well, look at that. Good extension on that. Jumping up to Frogger. Last 30 seconds now. Time to mash it up on Lake Country. Nice stoppy as well. Got to make sure he scores the points in all the areas.